Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, then welcome. Today I wanted to show you this half cut crease look. It's half gold and half copper. It's very pretty. You can wear this at any occasion. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then please continue watching. I'm going to use my Brazilian palette right here. It's called Brazilian Carnival. And I'm going to go in with the color number 62 right here. And using my blending brush, I'm going to just apply that into my crease and blend it out. Using another blending brush, I'm going to apply this color right here. Again, I'm applying that into my crease and blending it out. Now apply a piece of tape to your eye. Like so. Using a flat and fluffy blending brush, I'm going to go in with the color Chocolate right here from the Violet Voss palette. Apply that color a little over the crease, but you want to blend it out. You want this area to be the darkest of your whole entire eye. Also, you want to bring that color down to your lower line. Go only halfway. Go in with some concealer. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Concealer, and I'm also going in with my concealer brush. I'll apply some concealer and create a cut crease. You only want to make it halfway towards your eyes. You don't want to make it a whole cut crease, only half of your eye. Guys, I'm going to apply some glitter with my Real Techniques shading brush. I'm going to apply the glitter just like normal eyeshadow, like so. And I want to tap it and then dust it off. So obviously you're going to need more than one layer. This is my second layer. Now I'm going in with some glitter, liquid liner, and I'm just going to outline where I've applied that cut crease. While that dries, you guys can remove the tape. Now I want to use this shade right here. Apply that shade at the outermost corner where you left off at. And you want to kind of even everything out. I'm going to go back into my Violet Voss palette and I'm going to use this color Silk with a flat brush. And I'm going to apply that color to my brow bone and blend it out. With my Real Techniques multi-purpose brush, I'm going to dust off any glitter or any fallout that might have occurred. Apply mascara. Also, don't forget to apply mascara to your lower lashes. Apply a liquid eyeliner. Apply some false lashes. Apply a lip liner and some lipstick. Apply a setting spray. Apply a brow gel. I usually do this at the very end of my makeup because it actually works better and stays on longer. I'm going to apply a highlighter using an angled brush. I'm only taking a very little amount of this. Apply that on my cheekbones. And the bridge of my nose. And the very tip of my nose. And you can apply blush if you want to, that's optional, but for this, I'm not going to apply blush. I'm going to leave it as is. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please do give it a thumbs up down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more new videos. Until my next video, you guys, stay safe and take care of yourselves. Goodbye.